This is how to make a throwable kunai part 2. I'm sorry, part 1. I forgot to put the part 1 in the name. So, let's click up on kunai part 2 in this name. God damn it, I hate my haircut. Okay, so I went ahead to make the first part while I was waiting for this other video to upload. Should look like that. Okay, I'm showing you how I made this.
Sipping whiskey out the bottle.
Not thinking about tomorrow.
Yo! Yo! You got a shot ton of fireworks. Yeah!
Really?
Yeah! Ah!
How much fireworks to be in it?
Go look at them. They're in the garage.
After I make this YouTube video.
I need you to help me carry it in.
Carry what in?
The fireworks.
Can I finish my YouTube video first?
Victor? We got like a crap ton of fireworks.
Oh crap. Okay, so I fold that little square in half and fold those on the line. I'm so excited that we're finally fireworks. I'm trying to hurry up now, so. And you. Just fold it like that on two sides. Should look like that.
Who are you talking to? Oh, where the fuck did she go?
Okay, and the way you make this is easy. Take these and you put them together like that. And that's how you make like a normal. So now take this paper clip you made, put it in, roll that little tip up there. And you just keep squishing the paper clip until you can't see it anymore. That. Okay, and you're gonna line this. So it's like an exact middle of these two things. So we can see like a little clip thing. That doesn't matter. Piece of tape. Tape it together so it doesn't fall apart. Okay, now take the other one, put this in like the exact middle. Gotta put your finger in it, baby, to prop it up. Sorry about the crappy videos, I just don't like waiting for, you gotta pop. So. Then you gotta open up this one you just put in. What? I don't care, like a meatball sub or something. Okay, love you, Dad. Okay, watch part 3 of Paper Kunai.